Just so you know, the video you were about to see was filmed before we took the body off of the frame of the car. We just thought you should know before you watched and thought we put it back on. We are trying to figure out the next step with the car right now. We thought this video would be a fun break from the work that we've shown. Not sponsored.
Yes, sponsored. Alright, are you ready?
Yes. Welcome to What's That Thing?
What's that thing? Okay. So, we're going to start. You ready?
Yeah.
I'll start with you. Alright. What's that thing?
That thing there is an air filter.
Right. So awesome. It feels better already. Okay. What's the air filter on top of?
It is backlit. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move over here. That whole thing right there.
What's that thing? Hey Mallory, what's that thing?
I don't know.
Carburetor.
It's a carburetor.
Carburetor, because the gas goes in to the carburetor. Hey Mallory, what's that thing?
A piece.
Here's a hint. It pushes the gas up and into the carburetor.
It's a gas pusher carburetor thing.
Yep.
That's definitely what it is.
I swear in the book it's, let me look it up. Gas pusher carburetor thing.
Yep.
Page 287. Perfect.
Good job. Thank you.
Gas pump.
Gas. I'm not smart. I'm sorry.
The pump.
The pump.
Okay, what's this?
It looks like
you can name
plugs?
Either this, or this. Any part of that, that'd be okay.
This is a plug.
These are plug wires.
Yeah.
And the wires go to the
energy conversion thing.
Distributor cap. Which is on the cap is on the distributor cap is on
the distributor?
Work with me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, so far to go for such a little thing.
Okay.
Distributor cap, plug wires go to the spark plugs.
Because sparks go into wires. So, recap. Air filter, carburetor pump, fuel pump, sorry.
That's all right.
Plug wires, distributor cap, right here, distributor.
Very good.
Yay.
What's this?
It has a turny bit on it. I don't know.
It has a turning bit.
Yep.
The turning bit is called a pulley.
Oh. Well, I didn't know it was that simple. I thought it had like a name for it that wasn't a pulley.
This is the pulley located on the
DFD plus.
alternator.
Alternator. Does it say that on there somewhere?
Nope. That's why we talk about it. You know what this is?
A cap for something.
Yes, what do you put in there?
Oil?
Yes!
Yeah! I did. Yep. It's an oil cap.
That's an oil cap. And your oil filler tube.
And yep.
And then...
This is another pulley.
Mm-hmm.
So 2 pulleys connected.
Mm-hmm. With a...
rubber strip. What is it? It's a rubber strip. I'm not wrong.
What is the rubber strip called, Mallory?
A belt. Hey! I was just
Okay.
messing with you. I knew what it was called.
This?
Is back panel.
Close.
Uh,
It is a fan shroud. Because
That was not close at all. That's a fan! Yay.
Very good.
Okay. Recap. So, this is an alternator with a pulley and a belt.
Mm-hmm.
This is an oil cap with the oil pipe,
Filler tube.
the oil filler tube. What else did we do? Oh yeah, the fan shroud. Sorry, and that's the fan right in there.
It's a fan.
Look at that. It's a
Now,
fan.
come over to this side.
Okay.
So we got a couple pieces back here. Some are hard to see because I have a different kind of engine stand. This
That
is the flywheel.
the flywheel. You're not gonna make me guess?
No.
Okay. It's not worth it.
This is the oil cooler. When the fan spins, it sucks air in to the fan shroud. Some of that air is pushed out through the oil filter to cool off, or the oil cooler to cool off the oil. The rest of the air is pushed down underneath of these things. See, this is just a little piece of tin to the
Whoa! I was not expecting that. I thought it was falling.
to the engine cylinders underneath of the little piece of tin, because it is an air-cooled engine, so that air comes down and it blows across the air cylinders to cool it off and across the cylinder heads. This nut or bolt right there, that bolt is your oil drain plug, actually.
So that's how we
Drain the oil.
the oil in that milk jug over there.
Mm-hmm. That's it.
That's it?
These things here, very unique, are a pusher tube. Something Volkswagens have. Pusher tube. This is an exhaust tube, or an exhaust header, depending on how you want to look at it. It's all busted up. We gotta fix that. And if you wanted to, you could look.
Nope.
No, I need a screwdriver.
Do you want me to get one for you?
No.
I'm gonna get one.
No.
Okay.
But that's the cylinder head. So the carburetor sucks air in, mixes it with gas, and then it comes down and goes into the cylinders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. And it mixes it with the gas and then pushes it down into the cylinder. The cylinder compresses it. Right at the top, it starts to ignite so that it pushes the cylinder back down. Nice. Hey, falling! And, as it pushes the cylinder back down, it creates power that we then use to push the car forward.
Hooray! And that is how an engine works, folks. Just in case you didn't know.
What?
Ah! What is that? This thing.
That?
Yeah.
Well, let's look at this.
Oh,
This is our fuel pump,
fuel pump.
and it pushes
That's a thing.
fuel through that and to the carburetor. And if you look inside real careful, you'll see paper pleats, right, that remove large particles. Some might call it a fuel filter.
I'm so smart.
Fuel filter. Good job.
Hooray.
Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. You're a nut. Alright. See, and then, so that this thing sucks air in, mixes it with gas, and then it goes down, and you see this pipe here, this one?
Mm-hmm.
That is where that air gas mixture goes down and goes into the cylinders. And this right here comes off of the exhaust, right? Because this is an exhaust valve or exhaust port here, right? So
And we've taken off the exhaust. It's over there.
So it would come off of here, and it has this little bitty pipe that comes up here and goes out around this pipe so that it preheats the air going into the cylinders.
Cool.
Cool, 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 cool.
Cool, 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 cool.
Woo! Sundowner's.
Okay.